Assalamu alaikum. How are you, leaders? Before we're going to start our English lesson, I would like to remind you about our core values. How many core values we have in American School of Creative Science? 5. Integrity, compassion, collaboration, courage, and tolerance. Okay, and the visible learners, we always remember to be inquisitive, creative, persistent, motivated, critical thinker, and reflective. And believe it or not, I saw a lot of you being very creative during your science project and critical thinker when you were doing your math, and reflective when you did your reflective sheet about your science project. Remember? Okay, let's start our English lesson now. We're gonna start our new selection, and it's from Unit 3, Lesson 15. Can you read the title? Officer Buckle and Gloria. Okay, let's warm up and put our thinking cap. What are some rules we have to keep our home safe? What are some rules? Or yourself safe? What do you think? These days, what should we do? Yes, we need to wash our hands for 20 seconds, right? To keep ourselves away from any disease. And today we're going to talk about school environment and how can we keep ourselves as students, teachers safe in the school with this story. So, can you read the title? Officer Buckle and Gloria. What can you see in the picture? There is an officer. What do you think? What is the name of this officer? Buckle. And can you see someone else or something else in the story? What kind of animal is there? It's a dog, right? And can you guess what is the name of this dog? Okay, I want you to read the name of the dog, to read about the author, and guess what is the genre. I'll give you a few seconds. Okay, what do you think? What is the genre? The genre is humorous. And what does humorous mean? You remember? What does humorous mean? Humorous means it's a funny story. Can you remember any previous stories we read that are funny? Like what? Diary of Spider. What else? Can you remember another story? It's written by the same author. I'll keep that to you to remember, okay? Guess it and come back to me. Tell me what is the name of the second story. Now, before I proceed with the rest of the slides, there is a link at the top of the slide. I would like you to click on it. It will take you to the story itself. Listen to it, okay? It will take you maybe for an hour or half an hour, and listen to it and come back to finish the rest of the slides. If you come back, we're gonna do our target vocabulary now. Our target vocabulary, so our learning intention. What is our learning intention? To identify the meaning of the target vocabulary and use these target vocabulary in a meaningful sentences. So let's start with the first one. Attention, attention. Body, body. Enormous, enormous. Obeys, obeys. Safety, safety. Speech, speech. Shocked, shocked. Station, station. Let's start with the first one. What does attention mean? Attention means being careful. Okay, you listen and look at things around you. So you need to pay attention when you cross the street. Can you think about something else you need to pay attention to? Buddy. Buddy means a close friend, right? Who's your best friend? Who's your buddy? Enormous. What does enormous mean? Enormous means huge or big or large. Can you think of something enormous and put it in a sentence? Obeys. Obeys means to follow the rules or the instruction, right? Safety. Safety. Can you read this word? Safety, yes. Safety means protected from danger. Safety rules are rules that will keep you from getting hurt. Speech. Speech when you talk in front of public, a lot of people, okay, in front of you, and you need to give a speech, to talk about something. Shocked. Shocked being surprised. Okay? I want you to review our vocabulary words now, and the last two slides you can play with it and drag the meaning of the meaning of the vocabulary to the correct word. Okay? Thank you.